Hello guys, I don't know what this is, but, today we were playing just another cooking game. It's just another one. Why are there eyeballs on the O's? Okay. Dang, there's a lot to this. Okay, I guess I can't do that yet. Okay. Bro, I just did 2 and 3 and I realized that I wasn't recording. You gotta be kidding, bro. Yeah, but I cooked. And he told me a funny joke. Why did the robot get fired from the pizza restaurant? Because he kept touching too many buttons. Why didn't you laugh?
Culinary whiz. Hello, nourishment adventure.
What do you call your rocky holes in the robot?
Come on, I need you to get done, bro.
Digestive sustenance, completed with satisfaction.
Burger peas. Concluded. Hello, culinary wizards.
Greetings, cuisine experts.
Eating adventure.
Culinary indulgence, savored and accomplished.
You just leave, bro.
Hello, Chef Virtuoso.
Get done.
Burger
Yes.
satisfaction, leaving with pride.
Let's go, bruh.
Hello, culinary wizards.
Hi, culinary mastermind. Salutations, master chef.
Burger action. Concluded.
Nourishment accomplished with contentment.
Come on.
Salutations, edible goods. Sustenance achieved. Mission complete.
Hello, food connoisseurs.
Burger peas. Concluded with satisfaction.
Bruh.
Burger control and progress. Culinary indulgence,
I think so.
accomplished.
I think probably more.
Burger adventure, memories made.
Hey, you got our last 5, bro. How do you feel about that?
Meal requirements
Ooh.
accomplished with great.
Hello, culinary wizards.
Hello, chef artist. Greetings, food explorer.
Yo, I'm so locked in, bro.
Culinary
Yes,
knowledge
please.
requires completed joy. Greetings, gastronomy fans.
Off the charts.
Hi, culinary maestro.
Robust nutrient intake. Sure.
Where's the bun?
Burger cravings, momentarily addressed.
Oh my god. If it does not grab the bun, bro, I'm gonna actually crash out.
Nutrient surge.
So we did that before. Oh my god. That was that was pretty. This game's actually harder than you think, bro. Alright. And we gotta go into level 5. Oh, it's nighttime. What the frick?
Hi, culinary mastermind.
Hey.
Greetings.
Hello, flavor explorer.
Hi. Hello. Sorry. I'm terrified.
Smells like burgers.
Salutations, edible enthusiasts. Burger escape, fully enjoyed.
Where'd that burger go?
Burger cravings, momentarily addressed.
Burger nirvana.
Oh, we did it.
Achieved and appreciated.
Oh. We got something for that. What? Hello, sir.
Hi, culinary mastermind.
so many games.
Burger upgrade. Urgently required.
Thank you.
Valid adventure. Journey completed with pleasure.
We had to get a star for that. Level 6. Welcome. Oh, freak, I'm off track. Try to take a little bit.
I was just out of a kid.
Hi. Culinary.
What happened? What? This is terrifying. Okay.
Burger with salutations. Culinary adventurers. Burger paradise. Good luck on the way.
Burger. Yes, please.
Come on, bro.
Burger craving. Temporarily subdued.
I need this to get done.
Time for burger overload. Burger
Oh
escape.
my.
Fully
Please,
enjoyed.
bro. What is it? What is it? Thank you.
Gastronomy fair.
Everything that. Boom.
Favorite food. Hi. Culinary wit.
Oh, great.
Consumable quest. Culminated with delight.
I'm ready
What
to-
robot?
Salutations.
Gastronomic
Culinary
requirement
adventure.
completed with joy.
Oh, this
Burger
one.
craving.
Burger
lost.
escape. Fully enjoyed.
No, I lost. What? 3 burgers, bro. Okay. Oh, something's already broken. Fighters.
Culinary maestro.
Get done!
Happy burger.
For Destiny 3.
Oh my lord, dude. This is stressful. What did y'all do? Dang it. Okay, I got 0 stars. Alright, if y'all want to play just another cooking game once more or again, you give me 20 likes, subscribe please, and have a good day, and good luck.